So ayun mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So we bought this one sa ating online, and the original price of this Android phone is 8,000, but nabili na namin siya around 4,000 pesos. So we have here Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. So, as you can see right here, binuksan na namin to. Syempre, of course, since galing to online, we need to check if by any chance may problem yung unit before namin paalisin si rider. So, this is the box. Syempre, manipis lang ito as usual. And this is a light gray. Ayan. So, light gray yung ating unit. So far, wala namang mga information pa dito. But, let's open up the box first. And let's check the inclusion, of course. So, we have here the Samsung box. And sa loob ng ating Samsung box, we have the pin ejector or pin eject tool. We also have here the charging cord, Type-C to Type-C charging cord. Or, uy, nice. So, we also have here Samsung Care. So far, yan lang naman yung inclusion ng box natin. We don't have any charger. We don't have any jelly case from Samsung. So, ayan mga sismars. Pipil lang natin to ng saglit. And then, slide natin siya. Okay. Alright. So, we have here a punch hole. No, this is not a punch. Notch pala to. This is a notch display sa ating selfie camera. Ayan yung ating screen, as you can see. Right corner, we have the power button, the volume rocker. Left corner, we have the SIM tray. Bottom part, we have here the speaker grills. I don't know if this is a speaker grills. Bago to ah. Parang speaker grills ba to? Later on, let's check that. We have here the charging ports, Type-C charging port, microphone, and earphone jack. Let's check the design or camera module of this Samsung. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. So, as you can see, medyo itas lang natin yung ating camera para nakikita natin ang very right. So, as you can see, we have two lens in here. And then, if you're going to tilt the item or the unit, meron siyang sort of glaring effect. Ayan. Sa kanyang back details, I'm not sure if nakikita nyo, but meron siya parang line na details, as you can see. Ayan. And this is not a glossy finish. This is matte finish. So, hindi siya prone sa fingerprint. Good thing. We also have here Samsung logo. Alright. Okay. So, let's open and check the quick specification of this Android phone. Okay, so naka-open na. And then, let's try to check the settings real quick. Okay. We have here display. Ayan. Okay. So, quick settings lang tayo dito. Ayan. The battery. So far, yun lang naman yung ating information with this. Let's just try to check the quick. Okay. So far, yun lang naman yung ating quick unboxing with the Samsung A06 5G. Again, mga sismars, abangan niyo yung full review natin ang camera test natin with this Android phone. So stay tuned, and then if you want to purchase this one, just click the yellow basket down below. Ayan, mga sismars. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.